Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, Madame Jessica Lupo, the Reverend Father, the Right Reverend Dr. Joseph Anthony Ziwa, His Excellency, the Archbishop, His Excellency, the Archbishop Justin Kasuja, His Grace Paul Semogele, the Archbishop of Uganda, the Bishop of Lugazi Diocese, all bishops, religious leaders. I want to take this opportunity to introduce the ministers and MPs present here. Because there are many, I want to ask them to stand up for recognition. We can give them a hand. The Bishop and the Lugazi Diocese, I want to take this opportunity to thank all the pilgrims of all nations who have come from all nations, and also to invite Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, to make the